Yeah, we will now continue with our series on chemistry, where we have been looking at Expo questions, possible questions, past questions that could come out. You are watching part 5 of the series we have been doing on chemistry, so I want you to focus, pay attention, let nothing distract you. Anything distracting you now is probably your enemy, so give me your attention. Our goal in this channel is for you to score 300 and above. If you claim it, let me know. For you to get admission this year, right? You write your JAMB, you write your admission, and you enter school. There's no need to play around it. That is why I've been giving you videos every day, and we have been doing a series on chemistry. We have also done some on physics and all the rest. So let's dive in. This is part 5. We have been on a series. We are moving from 35 to the other ones. What we are focusing on in this series are questions in chemistry that are not calculation based. Questions in chemistry that aren't about calculation. Of course, if you have been following our series, you know that in chemistry there are many questions that are not, you don't need calculator, you just need basic understanding of the subject. 35. In the extraction of sodium from fused sodium chloride, the anode is made of platinum because in the extraction of sodium from fused sodium chloride, the anode is made up of platinum because A, sodium is formed at the anode, B, chlorine is formed at the anode, C, sodium does not react with platinum, D, chlorine does not react with platinum. The answer is D. The anode is made of platinum because D, chlorine does not react with platinum. Do you understand? Okay. Remember, if you watch this particular video to the end, I'm going to give you a free gift, and that gift is I'll give you free JAMB past questions. I'll also give you free JAMB syllables. That is if you watch this video to the end. I will tell you how you can get it at the end of this video. Let's move on. Fluorine does not occur in the free state in nature because A, it is a poisonous gas. B, it belongs to the halogen family. C, it is inert. You know we have inert gases. Then D, it is because of its high reactivity. Fluorine does not occur in the free state in nature because the answer is because of D, because of its high reactivity. It is so reactive that it cannot exist alone. It quickly reacts with other metals or other particles around, elements around. Okay, now let's look at the next question, right? Are you with me? Question 29. Remember that these videos I've been giving you are not Nollywood films. I'm not giving you Nollywood movies. This is not action film. This is not news I'm casting. Now, I am saying it because I need you to focus. Anything I say, you go over to your textbook and research it. I want you to be extremely serious with this JAMB. Last year, more than 1 million people, about 1.2 million JAMB bites failed, meaning that they got below 180 or below 200. That is not your portion. Your portion is to study. Your portion is to enter school, write your exam jejely and enter school. So I need you to study more than you have ever done before. I am telling you, JAMB is not easy. JAMB is not easy. Study more than you have ever done before, so that when others are complaining, you will be laughing, you will be smiling. Now that some JAMBites are playing, use it and study. When they will now be crying, you can now play. In the chemical reaction, the change in concentration of reactant with time is dash. In chemical reaction, The change in concentration of reactant with time is dash. A. Entropy of reaction. B. Enthalpy of reaction. C. Rate of reaction. D. Order of reaction. Question 29. In chemical reaction, the change in the concentration of a reactant with time is dash. A. Entropy of reaction. B. Enthalpy of reaction. C. Rate of reaction. D. Order of reaction. The answer actually is C. Rate of reaction. In chemical reaction, the change in concentration of a reactant with time is due to the what? Is due to the rate of reaction. But I have an assignment for you. Write this assignment down, then come and tell me the answer in the comment section. I want you to tell me the difference between entropy and enthalpy. Tell me the major difference between entropy and enthalpy. Remember, like I always tell you, anytime I give you an assignment, there is always a reason. There is something I have seen before. I don't just give you a random assignment. I have seen something that is making me to pick that particular question for you. The color of litmus. The color of litmus, you know litmus paper now? The color of litmus in a neutral medium. You know neutral medium? If it is not alkaline or if it is not acidic, if it is neither alkaline nor acidic, then we will have neutral medium. The color of litmus in a neutral medium is dash. A. Purple. B. Pink. C. Yellow. D. Orange. The color of litmus in a neutral medium is dash. A. Purple. B. Pink. C. Yellow. D. Orange. I will not answer the question. I want you to make, this is your second assignment, make a research and tell me the answer to question 19. Are you with me? Why I don't answer all the questions is we are studying together, so sometimes I want you to do the research on your own. I want to stress your brain. Okay? We are looking at question number 17. The major and most effective way of controlling pollution is to dash. I want you to pay attention to this question because the options are long. The major and most effective way of controlling pollution is dash. A. 1. Improving machinery so that the substances released from combustion are less harmful. B. Pass strict laws against it by individuals and companies. C. Educate people on the causes and effects of pollution. D. Convert chemical waste to harmless substances before releasing them into the environment. Let's take it again. The best way to control pollution is dash. A. Improve machinery so that the substances released from combustion are less harmful. B. Pass strict laws against it by individuals and companies. C. Educate individuals on the causes and effects of pollution. Okay. D. Convert chemical waste to harmless substances before releasing them into the atmosphere. What do you think is the answer? What do you think is the answer? The answer actually is C. Educate people on the causes and effects of pollution. When people are educated, when people know the causes and effects, it will go a long way to curb pollution, right? The dispersion of a liquid, question 16 is what we are focusing on now. The dispersion of a liquid in a liquid medium will give dash. The dispersion of a liquid in a liquid medium will give dash. A. An emulsion. B. A fog. C. A gel. D. An aerosol. The answer is C. The answer is C. A gel. A gel. A gel. Let's look at question number 14. On exposure to the atmosphere, are you still with me? Now, remember at the end of this video, you will qualify for free JAMB syllabus, which will really help you, and free JAMB past questions. These things are very, very crucial and helpful, okay? On exposure to the atmosphere, a hydrated salt loses its water of crystallization to become an anhydrous. On exposure to the atmosphere, a hydrated salt loses its water of crystallization to become anhydrous. This phenomenon is referred to as dash. On exposure to the atmosphere, a hydrated salt loses its water of crystallization to become anhydrous. This phenomenon is referred to as dash. A fluorescence, B deliquescence, C hygroscopy, D hydrolysis. Let's take out the question again. On exposure to the atmosphere, a hydrated salt loses its water of crystallization to become anhydrous. This phenomenon is called dash. A fluorescence, B, are you still with me? Deliquescence, C hygroscopy, and D hydrolysis. The answer actually is A. The answer is what? Efflorescence. But I have an assignment for you. I hope you will not dodge it. I keep telling you, these videos we do, I take my time, bring out my time from my busy schedule to make this video. So it is majorly for you to pass. The videos I make are not for viewing sake. It's not what you just watch. It is for you to learn. Now the assignment for you is go and find that for me and put it in the comment section. Remember, write down this assignment. After this video, you begin to research and tell me the answers. I know why I'm stressing on this. A, deliquescence. Find out the meaning of deliquescence. B, find out the meaning of hygroscopy. Then find out the meaning of hydrolysis. Deliquescence, hygroscopy, hydrolysis. Let's look at another question for you. Okay. Question 14. Okay, we've answered question 14 and we said the answer is A. Okay, let's look at question number 12 for you. Are you still with me? If the videos I am making are helpful, please let me know. If they are helping you, please let me know. Knowing that these videos help you people will inspire me to do more. Also, if there are some other videos you want me to make that I have not made, let me know so that if I find time, I can make that for you. My goal is for you to pass. I have done a lot of videos on chemistry, on use of English, on Lucky Headmaster, on biology, on physics, on economics, and all the rest. If you need me to give you the link to those videos so that you can watch them and prepare yourself, let me know so I can give them to you. Are you with me? Okay. The nitrogen obtained from air has a density higher than the one obtained from nitrogen containing compounds because the one from air is concentrated with dash. Pay attention. This one is not a question we should rush. Remember, what I'm giving you are things to expect, so it's not joke. It is what most likely JAMB will pick from. The nitrogen obtained from air has a density higher than the one from nitrogen containing compounds because the one from air is contaminated with dash. A, water vapor. B, oxygen. C, rare gases. D, carbon dioxide. The answer actually is the oxygen, the nitrogen in the air is contaminated by rare gases. Are you still with me? I hope these videos I'm doing are helpful. If they are not helpful, let me know so I can stop doing them. But if they are helpful, please let me know. Let's look at question number 10. The radioactive radiation used in studying the arrangement of particles in giant organic molecules is the radioactive radiation. Anyone I will answer, please note it. Please learn it. Store it in your memory. That is why you should watch this video more than once. This is not a video you watch just one. This is part 5 you are watching. Go back also and start from part 1 to watch. The radioactive radiation used in studying the arrangement of particles in giant organic molecules is dash. A. Y rays. B. Alpha particles. C. S rays. D. Beta particles. What do you think is the answer? The answer is X rays. X rays. Are you with me? Now let's look at this question. Question number 17. Remember at the end of this video to remind me to give you free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. I will tell you how you can get it. Beryllium and aluminium have similar properties because they dash. Beryllium and aluminium have similar properties because they are dash. A. Are both metals. B. Belong to the same group. C. Belong to the same period. D. Are positioned diagonally to each other. What do you think is the answer? The answer is A. Because they are both metals. Because they are what? Because they are both metals. Now let's look at this question. Question number 2. I need you to give me your attention. I need you to do what? Give me your attention in this question number 2. Okay? Are you with me? A mixture is different from a compound because A. Pay attention. Pay attention. A mixture is different from a compound because A. The properties of a compound are those of its individual constituents, while those of a mixture differ from its constituents. B. A mixture is always homogeneous, while a compound is not. C. The constituents of a compound are chemically bound together, while those of a mixture are not. The constituents of a compound are chemically bound together, while those of a mixture are not. D. A mixture can be represented by a chemical formula, while a compound cannot. Which one is the answer? Should I read it up again? The difference between mixture and compound. A. I won't answer the question. I want you to tell me the answer in the comments. But let me read up the options for you. A mixture is different from a compound because A. The properties of a compound are those of its individual constituent, while those of a mixture differ from its constituent. B. A mixture is always homogeneous, while a compound is not. C. The constituents of a compound are chemically bound together, while those of a mixture are not. And D. A mixture can be represented by a chemical formula, while a compound cannot. What is the answer? If you get this answer correctly, let me know. Just tell me the answer in the comment section. Remember that if you need those past questions syllabus, what you just need to do is 4 things. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. In our channel, Noble Tutorials, go over. You can see the option to join. Click on join and join our YouTube channel. That is very important. Number 2 is like this video. Very important. Click on like this video. Number 3, share this video. This is very critical if you want to receive this material. Click on share it or here on YouTube, then click on share, copy the link, share the link on Telegram channels, on YouTube groups, on Facebook groups, on WhatsApp groups. Share it so that more people can also benefit. When you have done these things, finally subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Just click on subscribe, turn on the notification bell. When you subscribe, when you join this channel, when you like, share and subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will chat you up and send you all the materials you need. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it immediately and watch.